Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to do a pouch. Okay, see, you can call it as a purse or anything with it. Okay, see, I have made one for you. Have put some pictures. You can have it as a coin purse, or else you can keep pictures like this, or else you can put a small greeting card inside and give to your mom. You can also design like this. Okay, see, is it nice? So you want to know how to do it? Use a paper. It's not necessary to take the color A4 size papers. You can also take the white paper you're having at your home. A paper, glue, marker to put some designs. Shall we start? So this is in the rectangle shape. We have to make it as a square now. Square. See, all sides are equal. After that, you got this cross like this. You have to fold this side also. How you fold like this? You have to fold the sides. You have to make it as a triangle like this. Okay, fold like this. Like this, you have to fold the all sides. Okay. Then after that, this left side and the right side you have to fold it. Little bit you have to pull it out so that it will meet exactly. We will put some glue here. Take a glue and apply it on the middle. See, glue to the downward, for the upward, for these two only you have to put a glue, or else it will stick entire paper. Okay, see, I am putting my hand inside like this, it should come. Then after that, once you put the glue for these two, you have to put glue this side also. We have to stick this triangle too. You will get the full envelope like this. You want more shorter, for the long envelope you can use it as rectangle. See, this will become a rectangle shape again. You have to put glue. So I put glue on the sides. Please let it dry or else it will come out. So I am just showing how it will come. Gap here. So as I said earlier, you can put some small greeting card, or else you can collect your favorite pictures and you can put it inside like this. You can take a sketch and you can draw like a button. Okay, and if you want to put some designs, you can put flower designs also. Draw like this, like this, like this. Put some leaves. Design, you can even also color this designs, and you can write to my dear mom from your love, Kanishka, or something like that, your name. So you can gift to your mom, dad, or anyone. Put some small things. It will hold some weight. Okay, then you can give to your loved ones. So you can also try like this and send your videos to the WhatsApp number. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.